Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tio Haryati. I will present our research entitled Effect of Switchback and Twist Angle on the Use of Wing Airfoil NASA 20812 to Aerodynamic Performance. Outline in my presentation are introduction, methodology, result in discussion, and conclusion. Introduction. This study compares three configuration NASA 20812 airfoil, namely a plain wing, sweepback wing with twist variation and without twist angle. NASA 20812 airfoil is used on Embraer 145 aircraft made by Embraer Brazil, which is more widely used in South America and North America. This research was conducted to see the potential for improved performance of the NASA 20812 wing used on the Embraer 145 aircraft by using twist angle. This is very interesting because the aircraft wing currently does not use twist angle. This study uses computational fluid dynamics, numerical simulation, and cruising velocity so that it can approach a real condition in flight. By demonstrating the potential for improved aerodynamic performance, there is a possibility of saving aircraft operations by modifying the wing design. Previous research by Muaz Hussein in 2020 investigated the wing with NACA 20412 airfoil at twist angle of 1, 2, and 4 degree and sweep angle of 30 degree. CFD was performed on UAV with velocity of 0.8 Mach. The wing with this angle results in a decrease in downward velocity, referring to a higher pressure distribution. In addition, an adequate twist angle will increase lift and significantly decrease drag. Gale and Vandarkar 2021 conducted research on the effect of twist angles on blended wing back aircraft. The computational fluid dynamics was found on blended wing body model with SS 522 airfoil and velocity 25 meter per second and 30 meter per second. The sweep angle used was 60 degree and twist angle -3 degree to 3 degree with a step difference every 1 degree. The maximum lift coefficient was achieved at a twist angle of -3 degree and the drag coefficient was achieved at a twist angle of 1 degree. With an increase in twist angle, the increase of lift coefficient is higher than the increase in drag coefficient. Gary Michelet and Java Rizkian examined the effect of twist angle variation on aerodynamic coefficient using numerical simulation on wing with NACA 88009 airfoil with sweep angle of 56 degree at twist angle of 0, 3, and 6 degree. The effect of twist angle increases as the angle of attack increases and reaches the AKS effect at the angle of attack 5 degree, which is referred to as the natural threshold angle. Methodology. This research uses the NASA 20612 wing airfoil used on the Embraer 145 aircraft. The simulation domain is based on the research of Mulvaney, which was continued by research of Haryati et al. By sampling the area behind the wing model 5 times the chord line. The application used ANSYS 19.1 with epsilon ratio Bell-Turbine model. Research validation is based on Anderson, where the difference coefficient drag result and approximately 2%. In addition, the condition of the area used is Y plus, which is less than 1. as in the Kontokias and study and Haryati research. Result and discussion. Aerodynamic performance in friction drag and pressure drag coefficient. From friction drag coefficient result, it is found that the switchback wing configuration produces a higher skin friction coefficient than other configuration. This is influenced by the surface area of each configuration, although the value of the skin friction coefficient is relatively smaller than other type of drag. In pressure drag coefficient, it is found that there is no significant difference in the pressure drag coefficient result at all angle of attack, except at angle of attack 17 degree. There is a slight decrease in sweepback wing configuration. In aerodynamic performance, induced drag and total drag coefficient. From induced drag coefficient result, it is found that each configuration shows result that are not the same as the previous two types of drag. The sweepback wing configuration shows the continuous increase in induced drag coefficient as the angle of attack increases, while the sweepback wing configuration with a twist angle shows the lowest result compared to the other configuration. In total drag coefficient shows that sweepback wing configuration produce highest value compared to the other configuration, while the sweepback wing configuration, which is with twist angle, produce lowest total drag coefficient. In addition, from the total drag coefficient value, it is found that the pattern of the value obtained is not much different from the induced drag coefficient, because this type of drag is the largest contributor to the total drag coefficient value. In lift coefficient, shows that the plane wing configuration experiences stall at angle of 12 degree, while sweepback wing configuration stall at 16 degree, and the sweepback wing configuration with twist angle stall at 15 degree. It is also shown that sweepback wing configuration has the highest lift coefficient value compared to the other configuration, while the plane wing configuration produces lowest lift coefficient value. Pressure coefficient visualization. In the wingtip region of all configuration, it can be seen that the traces of downwash occur more clearly in the plane wing at all angle of attack. In the sweepback wing configuration, both without and with twist angle, it can be seen that the traces of downwash only occur at angle of attack 4 and 10 degree. It can be shown that the separation process is not uniform in all configuration. In the plane wing, flow separation tends to start from the wingtip area, where in the sweepback wing start from the wing root area. In tip vortex visualization, the use of twist angle has least effect on reducing the total drag coefficient and increasing the lift coefficient, but has a clear impact on the lift to drag ratio. In this study, it is shown that the use of twist angle produces the best lift to drag ratio compared to other configuration. This shows that the using of right twist angle will improve efficient at constant speed or velocity, or usually occurs in freezing condition. The configuration with the twist angle does not mean that it has less effect on wing performance, but can be used in more appropriate condition. Conclusion: the use of twist angle affect the lift to drag ratio, although the result so in the total drag coefficient and lift coefficient are not very significant. Twist angle in the wing airfoil NASA 20612 produces the lowest total drag coefficient value compared to the other configuration. Visualization of tip vortex support the induced drag rejection that occurs in the sweep back wing configuration, where the resulting value is lower than the plane wing configuration, even though the area generated in the area behind the wingtip is wider. The trace of downwash is clearly visible in the plane wing configuration at all angle of attack, but in the sweep back wing configuration, it only occurs at low angles of attack. At high angles of attack, the downwash phenomenon is no longer visible on the wingtip. They show that with sweep back configuration, either with the twist design is or not, can reduce the occurrence of induced drag, which is characterized by a reduction in tip vortex. The use of the sweep back wing configuration has also effectively delayed the occurrence of stall, where the plane wing configuration occurs at angle of attack 12 degree, while the sweep back wing configuration occurs at angle of attack 16 degree, and the sweep back wing configuration with twist angle occurs at angle of attack 15 degree. Okay, that's all of the my presentation. Thank you for allowing me to join this international conference. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.